Good morning everyone. In this video today, I am going to show you how to convert your voice into text material without using any extra software. For this, again we have to open Google Chrome. This is your web browser. Just open it. First step, either you type here Gmail or log in into your Gmail account. Gmail by Google. My account is already open, so it is showing my account here. Or in the browser you can type drive.google.com. Clear? By any way you can do this and just press enter. My drive will automatically open here. Clear? Or by this way you just open the Google Apps. 9 dots are there for Google Apps. Click on these dots or open Drive. This is the symbol of Drive, and then click on New and then select Google Docs. Now it will create a blank document of Google Docs in your Drive. Clear? Or by this way you can select New and then Google Docs and then same option, blank document. Clear? You can choose any way, depends upon your choice. Suppose this is our document. By default it is untitled document. Now in this document you have to click on tools option, and within tools option there is an option called voice typing. Just click on this voice typing. You will see a microphone symbol is there. Now when you are ready to speak, click on this microphone and then speak clearly at a normal volume and pace. When you have done, then click the microphone again. And if you make a mistake while you are typing with your voice, then you can just make changes in that pace and fix the error. So let's start. Click on this microphone. Hello friends. Today we are discussing how to convert our voice into text without using any software. We are doing it with the help of Google Apps. It is an important app of Google which helps us to convert our voice into text. So this is the way by which you can convert your voice into text. Suppose this is the English text which I am converting, and if you want to convert a Hindi voice into text, just click here. You can select here, different countries are there. The option is Hindi is there. You select Hindi. And then just same procedure which we have followed for English. Just click on the microphone and type. भारत. मेरे देश का नाम भारत है. यह वह पावन भूमि है जहां पर मेरा जन्म हुआ है. यह संसार का सबसे अच्छा देश है. यहाँ पर बड़े बड़े महाज्ञानी, महापुरुषों और वीरों का जन्म हुआ है. Now, this is our Hindi text. So if you want to make changes or if you want to do editing, if you want to go to shift to next line, better you press enter there and then you can make some changes with your keyboard. If you want to do, you can make your text say in bold, italic or underline. You want to make it as a heading, put it in the left alignment. You want to change the alignment, you want to put somewhere apostrophe, comma, full stop, you can do it by editing. Or if you want to make change the color of your document, you can do it. Clear? Suppose this is, and make it as a center alignment, you want to make it bold and underline. So this is our English text and this is our Hindi text. And now what we have to do, we have to save it. Again, just click on file and then click on download. If you want to save it as a PDF, just click on PDF document. And if you want to save it as in a Word form, then click on Word form. So first we will do it in a Word form, Microsoft Word. It is saved in Microsoft Word. Just open it. Now it's opening Word, and now here we can see our text, English text as well as Hindi text in Microsoft Word document. Now I am minimizing it. Now if you want to save it as a PDF format, then click on download and then click on PDF. Now this is the PDF form of our document. So this is the PDF form of our voice to text document. Now just I am closing it. There are so many different apps which are provided by Google so that we can use it for our daily routine work. Now that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.